Hello everyone, now this is your the beginners tutorial only for you. Yes, I am going to start a beginners tutorial only for beginners. Yes, there are some features. The first is the personality development classes. Yes, also there are many classes available on my YouTube channel. Yes, and I'm also going to start the coaching of the students for teacher and for housewife. I think you also join with me. Now next. Yes, there's a coaching classes also for school students or for primary and middle. And home tuitions facility also available at your home. Yes, this is a first approach at your home. Now next is the online development classes available on my YouTube channel. Yes, this is an English class. Yes, English communication class also included with your coaching. Yes, इट मीन्स कि स्टूडेंट इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के बारे में और भी बहुत कुछ सीख सके, डेवलप कर सके अपनी इंग्लिश एज द मैथड फ्रॉम द LSRW मीन्स लर्निंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग. Yes, keep watching with me, my friends. Also, you should to start with me English language development course. This is my template. You also circulate to, you can circulate to your friends. I hope unique, yes my friends, a unique way of learning on my YouTube channel with LSRW skills. Yes, this is my YouTube channel link, and thank you for everyone. Keep watching with me. Bye bye. Take care.